Hello everyone.
At least 9 people returning home after the ANC election manifesto launch in Durban were reportedly killed in a bus crash early on Sunday outside Paul Petersburg in KwaZulu-Natal. Police and emergency services were at the scene of the crash on the R33 between Vryheid and Paul Petersburg. The ANC provincial spokesperson Mafika Ndebele confirmed the crash and said about 10 people were injured, and said they were returning from the rally, going back home. The leadership of the ANC is on the scene to monitor the situation. We are waiting the police report and we send our heartfelt condolences to the families and friends and loved ones. The police spokesperson, Brigadier Glenda Mate, said a preliminary report indicated that the bus was traveling from Moses Mabhida Stadium when it overturned. Mate said the injured were transported to various hospitals. Provincial Transport spokesperson Gwanele Ngalane told the Newsroom Africa that the accident happened about 5 a.m. and said, sadly, 9 people have been confirmed dead so far. However, they are still going to lift the bus as part of the recovery process. We are hoping there are no entrapments underneath. May their souls rest in peace. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more news.